LOL, Jaime should win the Guinness Book of World Records for most memorable name. Yeah, what would I win? Hey Diego, pick this comment. Pick it. Pick it. I said pick it. You can. I know. And Diego fell for it. Who the hell hates Jaime Rivera for saying his name? It sounds godly. That is exactly what my mother said, because that was my dad's name. And that just became awkward.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
That's right, it's that time of the week. I am Jaime Rivera, this is Pocketnow, and this is the Pocketnow Daily Recap, your comments for last week. So on Monday, the topic was the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It was spotted at IFA. I am looking forward to that phone a lot, but I asked you, like, what do you think about the leaked images and everything? We had 248 comments. Huawei took an L. Yeah, I guess they did. Applause for change. Definitely, I have to say, if this is the final design, that whole boxy camera case in the back, I have to say, like, it's really cool. It looks modern, unique, and it doesn't look like the protruding cameras that we see from iDevices. Looks like Wall-E. All right, seriously, but if you think about it, it's a pleasant image. I mean, I can tell you so many cases of products that have been designed to mimic something. Like, for example, Mazda using the front of their cars to mimic a smile and the back of their cars to mimic somebody with a badass face. It has a purpose. So yeah, I feel that skeuomorphism to a certain degree plays a good deal here. On Tuesday, the topic was foldable smartphone. Samsung's CEO pretty much teased that they're working on a foldable device for this year. And I asked you, what did you think about the possible future of this? We had 350 comments. Pretty sure Jerry Rig Everything will enjoy the best test of a foldable screen though. Oh my god, I will definitely be looking forward to Zach's video on this. I don't know about you, let me know in the comments, what do you like more about his videos? Do you like him just tearing up products or his jokes? Because for me, it's the combination of both. I feel that the guy is a genius. You know what I'd love for Samsung to deliver? Timely Android software updates. Oh my god, can you imagine if they take so long with the Note lineup with the excuse of the S Pen, what will they take now with a foldable phone? I have mixed feelings about foldable screens. Are they going to be durable, perform well, and would the software and content available place nice with them? From the rumors that I've seen, this looks more like what we've seen from ZTE with the X on M. That implementation was not good. So I am just as concerned, but then again, Samsung has proven that they know how to make extra layers of software over user interfaces like what we've seen in DeX, for example, or what we've seen, for example, in the Galaxy Note with the S Pen interaction. So I'm kind of confident that Samsung would be the best company for this job. Then on Wednesday, we had not seen the iPhone XS yet. It wasn't yet announced. I asked you, what did you think about the possibility of iPhones being the first with the 7nm process that was being rumored back then? We had 420 comments. One small step of innovation, one giant leap for iPhone price. Well, in the end, the price ended up the same, which, you know, I hate. Because the rumors were that the price was going to drop, and I hate for Cupertino to be figuring out ways to justify the same price tag. 7nm processor for iPhone users to check Instagram, LOL. I have to say yes, but then again, that is like the average consumer. We have to praise Apple for the performance of their chips. They've been doing an amazing job since the iPhone 5S, I believe. Ever since they came up with the first 64-bit processor. Yeah, that's what we got from them. So I don't know, man. We'll see what they come up with. I'm really looking forward to that chip on iPads. 7nm processor or not, people are going to buy the newest iPhone because its software is going to run virtually seamlessly on it. And that's the thing. I mean, the software runs seamlessly regardless if it's 14nm, 10nm. Again, that's another thing we have to praise Apple on. Regardless if their software is better than others, honestly, I don't care so long as it works. I do consider Android to be superior, but what's the point if it plays hit or miss depending on what hardware is being included? And then on Thursday, the rumors were the possible names of iPhones, the XS, XS Max. It ended up being true. These were the final names in the end, and I asked you, what did you think about them? We had 388 comments. Over the last few days, Jaime said iPhone names more than his own. Let me finish reading the comment. Over the last few days, Jaime said the iPhone names more than his own. I'm iPhone Rivera. Thank you very much for watching. All right, fine, that was a good one. Tim Cook is potentially killing Apple's history for having clean product names, or is he? Oh my God, the sarcasm was strong on this one, but I do have to agree, even though he's doing the opposite with iPads, which is the reason why I thought that the less expensive iPhone was just gonna be called iPhone. They say that Apple keeps everything very simple, but these names are more complex than those of Xiaomi. Definitely, I don't know what Apple's naming scheme is, like seriously, and then we use Roman numerals, but then that one we're supposed to be calling a number, but then the other one, which is a letter, we're supposed to assume it's not a Roman numeral. It's the worst, like seriously. And then finally, Friday, the topic was the Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro again. We saw some leaked images of a larger and a smaller notch, with the Pro having the larger notch, and I asked you, what did you think about this? We had 500 comments. Huawei Mate 20 Pro equal the next camera phone purchase. Oh my God, so I just spent some time in San Francisco, and just to give you an idea, I ended up using the Oppo Find X as my primary phone because I'm doing that review. I was also using the Note 9, and guess what? I was using the P20 Pro as my camera. Not saying that these other phones don't have great cameras, they're just not great enough to compare to the P20 Pro. So yeah, I agree. I'm okay with the big notch, but it must have a bigger screen. You know, we go back to the same topic. People hate me for saying that I don't care about notches, I care about bezels. I would rather put up with notches than with bezels, so I have to agree with you on this one too. I go for the teardrop notch. You know, ever since Oppo came up with that design on the F9, which is another phone that I have to review that's right there waiting for me, I like this teardrop design. Like for me, it's so unintrusive. It's pretty much just taking over a little portion of the notification tray ever since, well, it's actually not even Oppo, it was Essential. I love this design. I don't mind those kind of notches. I wonder exactly why Huawei is bringing a larger notch on the Pro, but then again, these are just rumors. We'll see what we get. That's it for the Pocketnow Daily Recap. Thank you very much for watching. If you want your comments to be featured, number 1, keep them short. Number 2, stick to the point. Number 3, try to get some thumbs up. It helps us spot them a lot easier. You can also follow me on social media and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram, at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next week.